Easter isn't just a story, it's full of surprising historical facts. Let's see what you really know. Hi, I'm Marie. This is Mind Sprint, where quick thinking wins. Let's begin. How did Jesus enter the city of Jerusalem? Riding a donkey. Riding a donkey showed that Jesus came in peace, not as a conquering king. What kind of branches did the people wave to welcome Jesus? Palm branches. Palm branches were a symbol of victory and joy in the ancient world. What did the crowd spread on the road for Jesus? Their coats. This lay down the carpet treatment was saved for kings. What joyful word did the crowd shout to Jesus? Hosanna! Hosanna means, "Save us, please," in Hebrew. Did the people welcome Jesus like a celebrity or a stranger? A king/celebrity. Jesus was very popular, and the religious leaders were jealous. How many special friends did Jesus have supper with? 12. The 12 disciples represented the 12 tribes of Israel. During the meal, Jesus broke bread and said it represented what? His body. This was the start of what many churches call communion, or the Lord's Supper. Jesus held up a cup and said the drink inside represented what? His blood/new covenant. He promised that his sacrifice would forgive people's sins. What surprising act of service did Jesus do for his disciples before the meal? Washed their feet. In those days, only the lowest servants washed people's dirty feet. If you're enjoying this quiz, tap like and subscribe to Mind Sprint. Let's keep going. Which disciple left the supper early to betray Jesus? Judas. Judas was paid silver coins to show the leaders where Jesus was. What was the name of the garden where Jesus went to pray? Garden of Gethsemane. Gethsemane means olive press, where oil was made. What did the disciples do while Jesus was praying in the garden? Fell asleep. Jesus asked them to stay awake and pray, but they were too tired. Who came to arrest Jesus in the garden? Soldiers and religious leaders. Religious leaders wanted to stop Jesus because they feared his power. What signal did Judas use to show the soldiers who Jesus was? A kiss. A kiss was a common sign of friendship and respect in that culture. Which disciple tried to fight the soldiers with a sword? Peter. Jesus told Peter to put his sword away, and he healed the servant's ear. Who was the Roman governor who put Jesus on trial? Pontius Pilate. Pilate actually thought Jesus was innocent, but was pressured by the crowd. How many times did Peter say he didn't know Jesus, just as Jesus predicted? 3. Peter was terrified he would be arrested too. What charge did the leaders use against Jesus? Claiming to be king of the Jews. Claiming to be a king was considered a crime against the Roman emperor. What kind of crown did the soldiers mockingly place on Jesus' head? A crown of thorns. This was a cruel joke to make fun of his claim to be a king. Who was forced to help Jesus carry his cross part of the way? Simon of Cyrene. Simon was a visitor who just happened to be in the crowd. Halfway done. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Next one. On which day did the crucifixion, Jesus dying on the cross, happen? Good Friday. Good Friday seems sad, but it's called good because of the good gift Jesus gave. What temple object ripped in half from top to bottom when Jesus died? The veil/curtain. This rip symbolized that everyone could now go directly to God. Which secret disciple gave his own new tomb for Jesus' burial? Joseph of Arimathea. Joseph was a wealthy and brave man to ask for Jesus' body. How was the tomb entrance secured? A large, heavy rolling stone. These stones were huge and needed several strong men to move. Why did the leaders put soldiers outside Jesus' tomb? To make sure the disciples didn't steal the body, they had a seal on the stone, making it illegal to break. What day of the week did the women go to the tomb? Sunday. Sunday was the first day of the week in Jewish tradition. When the women arrived at the tomb, what was surprising about the stone? It was rolled away. God sent an angel to roll the stone away, not to let Jesus out, but to let the world in. What brilliant creature did the women see at the tomb? An angel. The Bible says the angel's appearance was like lightning. What amazing message did the angel tell the women? He is risen. He is not here. This is the ultimate good news of Easter. Who was the very first person to see the resurrected Jesus? Mary Magdalene. Jesus first appeared to a woman, honoring her love and devotion. Jesus appeared to two disciples on the road to which town? Emmaus. Their hearts burned within them as Jesus explained the Bible to them. How did Jesus first appear to his 10 disciples? He suddenly appeared in their locked room. This showed he had a new, miraculous body. Which disciple famously said he wouldn't believe Jesus was alive unless he saw the scars? Thomas. Thomas is often called Doubting Thomas because of this. Did Jesus show Thomas his hands and side to prove he was real? Yes, Thomas immediately believed and said, "My Lord and my God." After his resurrection, where did Jesus help the disciples catch a huge load of fish? The Sea of Galilee. They hadn't caught a single fish all night until Jesus told them where to throw the net. After the fishing miracle, what meal did Jesus cook for the disciples on the beach? Breakfast. This shows his resurrected body could cook and eat real food. How many times did Jesus ask Peter, "Do you love me?" 3. Jesus used 3 times to cancel out the 3 times Peter denied knowing him. What final mission did Jesus give to his followers? Go and make disciples of all nations. This is called the Great Commission, the main mission of the church. What miraculous event is called the Ascension? Jesus going up into heaven. It happened 40 days after Easter Sunday. What did the angels promise the disciples as Jesus ascended? This same Jesus will return the same way he left. This promise gives Christians hope for the future. Remember, Easter isn't just about the bunny. It's about the amazing miracle and great love of Jesus. How many did you get right? Did any fact surprise you? Tell us in the comments. Happy Easter! See you in the next quiz!